Hello, my name is Myke Sanders. I'll be talking about the service area tool for Simply Be Found. So this is our service area tool. What it does is it tells the various platforms what the service area for a business actually is. This is important because when a platform is making recommendations, when they're returning search results, they list the closest location that it fits the search criteria. They also look at ones that service that area. So while you might not be close to that particular client, if they know you service that area, you will appear in the list. So as you can see right here, we have the tool. You can see a little Google map, zoom in, do all that fun stuff, and we have 5 locations. Now you can have up to 20, and that is the most amount of service areas, which is Google has 20. Bing and Apple have fewer than that. Now, inside this tool, you can do it by city. As you can see, we've got Greeley, Eaton, Windsor. We can do it by the county, like that, or you can do it by the zip code. And it's real simple to add. If you want to add one in, we'll put in Loveland, because that's right there. Select it. And that's Loveland. Now you can do focus all, and you can see the areas that you service. And that's it. And if you want to delete, click the little delete button here. And you're done. That is it. Thank you and have a good day.